Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open applications in split screen view on this device. First of all, select an app, for example Gallery. Then click Home button and tap on the button with 3 lines. Tap on the icon of an app, select Open in split screen view, and all you need to do from here is choose any other app, for example Chrome. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!